Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Alexa application not working on your Android device. There might be several reasons why the Alexa application is not working on your device, so here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix the issue. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are running the latest version of both Alexa application and your phone's operating system. Go to your Google Play Store and launch it open. Type in Alexa in the search box and search. Once you come across the Alexa app, tap on it to look for the update button. If the update button is available, tap on the update button to download the latest version of Alexa. The next thing you want to do is to check for your phone's operating system. Open up the settings icon from your app drawer and from the settings menu scroll down and tap on software update. Tap on download and install from the options in order to look for the latest software for yourself. If there is an update available for your Android device, go ahead and install it right away. Once your software is up to date, you might be able to fix your issue, but if it still doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is to check your Wi-Fi connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and make sure that you have connected to a stable internet, since Alexa needs a strong internet to function. If the internet connection still doesn't fix your issue, then you can also go ahead and uninstall the Alexa application from your device and reinstall it again on your mobile device right away. After you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Alexa application is not working on your Android phone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.